Hey guys, Laura here, Mother for Jesus, and I wanted to give you guys a quick review of this. It's a 12 subject notebook from CCM Digitals, and I decided to use this as my chore chart for my children, and I wanted to kind of review the notebook, and I really like this notebook. And this is actually one of her stickers from her Sweet Life collection, Will Clean for Candy, and that pretty much sums up my children. This chore planner is for my children. So here, what I did was I kind of broke it up into time, which is morning, afternoon, and evening, and then rooms. And what I love about this is there's 20 linked pages for each tab, and I really love that. So here we have the morning, and so these are their chores for the morning, and then they come in. My kids work my planners better than I do. They come in, and if it's my daughter, she always picks pink, and then she'll check off what she's done. And if it's my son, he comes in and he'll pick blue because, you know, he's a boy. And so he will come in and they check off of their morning chores, and then you can easily tap it and go back for their afternoon. We are homeschoolers, so my children are home with us, and this just helps them kind of organize their day and make sure they get their stuff done. And then at the end of the day, during our school year, they have taekwondo and gymnastics, and so at the bottom I just have them getting ready for that. And what this does is it prevents me from saying, did you put your school books away? Did you wipe off the table? I'm just so tired of hearing my own did yous, right? So I created this and it works well. Same thing for their quick evening chores, getting ready for the next morning. And so my next tab, which I don't have it tapped here, is rooms. And the reason why I do this is because when my kids go into the bathroom, they know how to clean it. They sometimes forget how to do certain things, or they forget to do certain things. And so I'm always, asking, did you shake out the rugs? Did you remember to wipe down the trim? Did you wipe down the front of the cabinets in the bathroom? Because for some reason, toothpaste spreads in my bathroom. And so again, my kids can just tap on the bathroom and check it off, and they really do enjoy doing this. So I wanted to show you guys how digital planning can be used for more than just school notes. And so I have one for my kids for their bedroom, and I think this is from her spring collection. I don't remember. All these stickers you're looking at are from CCM Digitals. And then, of course, my son's bedroom. These are stickers that are not from CCM, only because he's a boy, and I was trying to find some boyish stickers for him. So, okay, so I hope this helps, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I still have plenty of other room in this planner for other areas, and I think I'm going to do a monthly and then a yearly or a bi-weekly section for myself so I can remember what we've done and when. And what I really love about CCM Digitals is this is a freebie. This is a free monthly planner. And what I love about it is most times when you get a freebie from any of the digital companies, they have their name plastered all over the front of it. But here, with CCM Digitals, this is it. This is all you get. This is the only thing. Other than that, it's a beautiful planner, and it doesn't take away from the visual of the planner. And this is an actual just a 1 month planner, and this is great because I actually love the idea of being able to use it daily for my schoolwork too. That's another option. And so her daily pages are here, and I love how she has the time on the side, but then I have this blank side here. So I might just use this to jot down our schoolwork, which would give me my planner and my school all in one. So, and again, this was free, CCM Digitals, and I think this was a freebie she posted on her Facebook page. So happy planning.